Amazon provides lower returns on affiliate links because they take a percentage of it for themselves. It's best to branch out and join some affiliate programs directly. Adrenaline is an excitement company. It offers adventures of all kinds to people across the United States. This would be an exceptional addition for your affiliate marketing portfolio. Commissions are paid out month after month to affiliates that take advantage of this opportunity. Check this out. Adrenaline allows people to act out on the wild side and have fun. Get into the commissions being paid out for these exciting adventure products. Selling these excitement trips and adventures is easier because the desire for excitement is in the hearts of so many people. Adrenaline sells skydiving trips, helicopter tours, driving experiences, land adventures, and water sports. Those that will buy these packages search very specific keywords. Adventure-related keywords are searched more than 200,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to earn commissions selling this product using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $389. Affiliates receive 5% for each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links high in search engine results. This is a great affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.